What is going on, everybody, and welcome to my new channel, Boricua en Florida. My name is Luis Jimenez, and what better place to introduce my channel than the place I actually come from, Puerto Rico. And I decided to come to Puerto Rico to start this channel out because that is the purpose of this channel. I want to give you guys a comparison between where I'm from and where I live now, which is Florida. So the purpose of this channel is to show you guys what the life is like in Florida beyond the theme parks and things that you probably have not seen before. All right, so right now a little delay here. This is coming. Oh, there's more. That's so cool. This is we're at the beach and these beautiful animals just come out. Alright, so we just got to the outlets here in Barceloneta, Puerto Rico. Here with my friend Adam, A-Stylez. And these outlets, they look pretty cool actually. These are actually the same people that did the Orlando premium outlets and international. So it's pretty cool they're here too. Alright, so we're leaving the outlets now. I had to buy some clothes because I literally got out of work, got on the plane, and came to Puerto Rico with this crazy guy here, Adam.
Hey, guess what? We're in PR.
Yeah. I think we are lost. Or you know where we are?
Oh, I know where we're at, bro. Come on. I know where everything is.
Sure.
Positive.
I don't know, man. I'm scared.
If you guys just seen Menace right now, he's holding on to the rail of the door.
So we are on our way to this cave. We don't know exactly where it is, and I'm really struggling to get some signal up here. But look at this view. And this is actually a place where people live. So this is actually the inside of Puerto Rico. I don't know if you've been here before to Puerto Rico, but this is how the people live here on the inside. A lot of people, when they come here, they're used to San Juan, the tourist stuff. But this is where the actual people live. These are the type of roads that you find, and the small schools, and really tight roads.
Really sketchy.
It's like going up and down, and it's crazy when your GPS signal just gets lost. I mean,
look, I guess one of the governors.
Yeah, we got an issue here. Like, there's no signal for the GPS. There's no signal for data. We don't know where we are. And where's this cave, man? So now what? Okay, should we keep driving? I mean, I don't know. Those cars were just parked there.
Should we park right there? Honestly, man, it's park. Let's see how good he is. Hey, dude. Like. Menace, look at me. Look at me. Look, look. The car has to go in like this.
Oh, like that?
Yes. No. Go forward. Dude, but that's good though. That's what I wanted to record when you're stressed out. This is the best part of Menace right now. Look. This is the best part. Look. This is go forward. Now I gotta go straight back. Straight. Keep going. Slow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. right there. So when we come back, we go that way. Oh no, stop! Why you go so fast, bro? Yeah, you hit a tree though. I told you to go slow. Why you hit it so hard? Jesus Christ.
All right, now we're back after those horrible parking directions. Oh, look at that car right down there. That's crazy.
Oh snap! No way.
That is crazy. Yo, but look at the river. You can actually see it from here. Bro, you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
This thing is slippery, isn't it?
Oh, shit! Be careful, man! Hold the rail! Hold the rail! Hold the rail! Be careful, bro! Be careful, bro!
This is bad. This thing is slippery. We both just busted our butts.
Damn.
Holy crap. Yo, watch out. It's in the black areas. Wow. So we got to the Rio. We are at the Rio. At Rio. You just gotta go a little bit more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch your step. The heck is that? Wait, what is downstairs?
Check it out. Walk all the way to that edge. Can you do it?
Nope.
Why not? Be careful, dude. If
Bro.
you can do it, do it. That's a 12 drop.
So you want me to bust my butt?
A-Stylez always takes risks. Right, dude?
Yeah, well, look at the risk he's taking. You're right there, man. Don't slip again. Wow, so we just found the spot. All right. So now we gotta cross this alligator path. Well, no alligators, but Adam is here to, a little afraid to get wet, but so am I. I think if we walk through the rocks, like the big ones. More obstacles. We're trying to figure out how we're gonna get to that side. That's actually the only way to get through. Problem is I left my waterproof casing in Orlando and I don't have an extra one. I couldn't find one yesterday at Walmart. So, alright, so we found another way up there and this is actually the alternative. So we're gonna try it out now. Hopefully I don't bust my butt. Yes. Success. Yeah, this has been pretty crazy. I don't even have voice anymore. I want you to name me in the comments a place more beautiful than this. I want to see it. And as you guys notice, I have a cold, so my voice goes on and off. So I know some of you might make fun of me, but you do get a cold once you come to Puerto Rico. Alright, let's see what happens to this guy now. He slipped earlier. Oh my. So just made it to Dorado Beach, and this place is amazing. This is Plaza Carolina. I remember shopping here when I was a kid, and we're getting really close to where I live. Well, where I used to live when I lived here.
Aquí?
Yeah, man, to the right. This is where I used to live, Loma Alta. the house I used to live in right there, the 2-story house with the dog. I think that's my aunt. So right now I'm really happy because I'm seeing some of my old neighbors here that I haven't seen in over a decade. So that's pretty cool. I remember coming up this mountain over here. Oh man, it feels good visiting the old neighbors from almost 2 decades ago. It's pretty crazy. This is where I used to live. The old house. Ah, so many good memories. Oh man, we're gonna get some fruits like the old days. Esto me aguanta, ¿verdad?
Okay, claro que sí.
No, porque yo soy pesado, yo me veo. I'm heavy. But we're gonna take some acerolas. These are so good and so good. These are so good. I'm really excited and really grateful to have been able to come back and see where I grew up. I moved to Orlando when I was only 10 years old, and this is where I lived before. This is where my parents used to live as well. So seeing it 16 years later, it's an amazing opportunity. So I want to thank my aunt for letting me see the house and let me record here because she still lives here now. This gives me so many memories, this ice cream truck, like the way they sound. Heck yeah, we definitely gotta get some ice cream. Before we leave my old neighborhood, I gotta do something I used to do as a kid. I can't believe this is still here. I am so excited to get this ice cream right now. That's the man right there. Gracias. Really appreciate it, man. Heck yeah.
Que te aproveche.
Gracias. Woo! I like that. So we just got out of my grandpa's house. This is another place I grew up in. Well,
Igual.
so I hope you guys had a great time as much as I did making this channel for you guys. And I hope you guys understand what this channel is going to be about and what we're going to be doing in the next couple of episodes. So thank you guys. See you guys next time. Damn, those guys are crazy. Oh, snap, bro. So I'm doing this time-lapse video and there's some activity going on back here. This is gonna be a good episode.